So I've got my bookcase here. Now I've purchased two bookcases. I've already built one, but I wanted to go ahead and put it together so I could go ahead and tell you right away just how long it took me. And then I'm going to show you the bookcase that I actually built. So these are all the parts that it comes with. It takes right around 45 minutes to put everything together. I found the instructions were pretty easy to use. I didn't have any problems putting everything together. Everything fit very well. So let's go ahead and go over to my bookcase and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this bookcase is almost 6 feet tall. It's about 23 and a half inches or so wide. The depth of these shelves are right around 9 inches too. Now these shelves are fixed. They are not adjustable. So that's just something you need to be aware of. Also, what I like at the bottom here is that we've got some little doors here. I did put some magnetic latches that are attached right here. So that, they open and close really easily. I do like the color. And like I said earlier, it's easy to build. Everything was labeled with all the numbers and letters and stuff, so that made it real easy. And the only negative that I have about it is right here on the side. Right here where we put the screws in, they are black, so they do stick out. But other than that, everything was fine. And I'm really happy with them. And I'm looking forward to go ahead and get my second one built and put it right beside this. That way I can go ahead and put games and all kind of little knickknacks on the shelves. Hope you found this helpful.